हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक कुछ अलग होने वाला है। द वीडियो इज़ अबाउट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन। सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर some of my life learnings and lessons with you all related to career growth, procrastination, laziness, etc. सो आज के टाइम पे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस इतनी बढ़ गई हैं। सो जब हम 10th 12th स्कूल में थे इतनी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस नहीं थी। अब फैमिली, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, मूवीज़, सीरीज़, नेटफ्लिक्स, अमेज़ॉन प्राइम, इतनी सारी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आ गई हैं। ट्रैवल, शॉपिंग और सोना भी। तो इतनी सारी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आने की वजह से हम अपने काम को कई बार पोस्टपोन कर देते हैं और हम सोचते हैं कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे, नेक्स्ट वीक से स्टार्ट करेंगे। जनरली 99% लोग यही सोचते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग मी, कि कल से स्टार्ट करेंगे, कल आज टाइम से सो जाते हैं, कल से फ्रेश स्टार्ट करेंगे। और ये करते करते हो गए हैं मुझे 6 मंथ्स। तो 6 मंथ्स हो गए मुझे प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हुए कि मैं कल से स्टार्ट करूँगी, कल से स्टार्ट करूँगी। मुझे टीएस से स्टार्ट करना था बट मैं स्टार्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। और ऐसा नहीं है कि दिस इज़ एन इम्पॉसिबल टास्क, आई हैव डन इट इन द पास्ट। ओनली necessity here is patience and discipline. I have patience but I don't have discipline. और इंस्टाग्राम की वजह से जो हमारा फोकस है, फोकस टाइम है और डिसिप्लिन है, वो बिल्कुल ख़राब हो गया है। सो दीज आर सम ऑफ माई लाइफ लर्निंग्स. So I believe that procrastination is the silent thief of dreams, and it creeps in unnoticed, disguising itself as a harmless delays, like just one more week, one more day, one more excuse. But before you realize it, 6 months have passed, and the worst thing is you're standing at the same place. Even after 6 months there's no progress. You're standing at the same place like you were before, watching time slip through your fingers like hands. So मैं इस प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन की साइकिल में फंस चुकी हूँ, एंड दिस इज़ अ विशियस साइकिल, एंड आई एम पोस्टपोनिंग माई रिटर्न टू DSA, knowing that I need to start but I never actually do it. And this is a very bitter realization. But today is different. Today I draw the line. Today, I am going to start working on it. Today, I break free from this self-imposed prison of hesitation and self-doubt, because I know the truth that procrastination is nothing but fear in disguise. Fear of difficulty, fear of failure, fear of not being as good as I once was. But what is this fear from someone who's already conquered challenges before? Last year, I've already done DSA and I was quite good at it. So why am I not able to start again? Because I know that it will be long, it will be tiresome, it might take 3 or 4 months to again revise and learn it. And that is the reason why I'm not starting again. But I believe I'm losing a lot of opportunities, a lot of precious time, because of my laziness and procrastination. So the truth is that success does not come from waiting. I am waiting, I am hoping, but it will not come from just dreams. It does not come from hoping that motivation will magically strike me one day. I have to be disciplined. So I have understood in my 24 years of life that the only recipe of success is discipline. Not only in like some technical field, education, in any field, only discipline can take you there. आज के टाइम पे इतना competition है, सब लोग बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, but only thing by which you can outshine others is discipline, because not everyone is disciplined. Like I told you, इतने सारे distractions, and these distractions are not only there for you but for everyone else. So every single day that I was delaying, someone else is out there practicing, solving problems, getting better, but मैं वहीं की वहीं हूँ. Every single excuse I make is a step away from my goals. and I refuse to watch from sidelines where others pass by me. So the clock is ticking. The world does not wait. If I want to be at the top, I must earn it, not through wishes but from hard work. So आज मैं अपने आप को एक प्रॉमिस करने वाली हूँ, एंड दिस प्रॉमिस इज़ दैट आई विल स्टार्ट, not will, I am starting my DSA journey today, not next week, not tomorrow, today. Even if it means starting small, solving only one question, I will start today. Even if it means struggling at first, I will push through, because champions are not those who never fall, they are the ones who rise every single time. And like, this is a very famous saying that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. And I have the talent, but now it is the time to put in the work. So no more delays, no more waiting. The time is now, because I am Tanuja and I refuse to be anything less than my best. So thank you everyone. Bye.